Terrell Owens, you know, he kind of had the same injury, and you know, the hyperbaric oxygen chamber, all that good stuff, and I'm doing everything I can to get back, get ready, and you know, after I work hard like a day like this, is recovery, get slowing down, and feel good for the next day, which I usually do.